How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a neat little 66 Mustang coupe. It's had a lot of nice little upgrades done to the car. It's done in a very nice garnet red with the cream stripes. It's all painted. The car had a complete rotisserie restoration. See the bumpers, all been redone on the car. The grille and everything's very nice. Car's nice straight down the sides. I tell you, I really like the color combination with the off-white cream stripes. It's got a set of welds. Rear bumper and taillights have all been replaced. Got the car from a local gentleman. He enjoyed it a few years and wanted to do something a little different. And it's got a mild built 302 in it. Real good running car. It's got all MSD ignition. Got the cold case aluminum radiator set up. All your aluminum pulleys and brackets. He also updated it with a Tremec 6-speed with a hydraulic clutch. It's got a 3-inch custom stainless exhaust. Stainless mufflers and all out the back. All the interior's been redone in the car. It's gorgeous, gorgeous interior. Very nice. Nicely updated with front and rear seat belts. See, all the jams look real nice in the car. It's got the deluxe interior. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear. It's got a posi in it. It's a 411 gear with the 6-speed. Car just cruises down the freeway, drive it around town, have an absolute blast with it. Got a folder of a bunch of receipts, the stuff he had done to the car. Comes with a car cover. Headliner looks real good in it. Also did a direct fit AM/FM stereo with the IPOD capability. Very, very nice car, guys. Good solid car underneath everything. Just a fun car to drive too. Fires right up. It's kind of bear with us, the sun keeps coming and going today. Hey, good sounding car. Kind of surprised he did a 3-inch exhaust on it, but it sounds real good and the car drives out great. So you get in this car and go to your shows, go cruise, have a good time. You want to drive it up north or drive it across town to your buddies or family's house,